How to purchase V-Bucks in Fortnite. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're wondering how to buy V-Bucks in Fortnite for the first time, here's how you do it. Launch open Fortnite game on your device and wait for the lobby screen to load. Now, from the home page, go ahead and look for this V option at the top, click on that, and it'll open up the V-Bucks tab from where you'll be able to find the V-Bucks packs. You'll see different options such as 800 V-Bucks, 2400 V-Bucks, 4500 V-Bucks, 12,500 V-Bucks, etc. Pick the one that fits your budget. Now on the next page, click on Purchase at the bottom left, and depending on your platform, you can pay using credit or debit card, PayPal, gift cards, etc. Select your payment service provider and follow through the instructions and make your payment. After the payment is confirmed, the V-Bucks will be added to your account instantly or after a short delay. So that's how you easily purchase V-Bucks from your Fortnite game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.